Welcome, learners, to a transformative journey into the realm of effective communication through the power of body language. Today, we embark on a quest to unravel the secrets of nonverbal communication, exploring its profound impact on speech delivery and audience engagement. Imagine yourself standing before a crowd, your words amplified by the eloquence of your gestures, the sincerity of your facial expressions, and the confidence of your posture. With each movement, you captivate your audience, drawing them closer to your message with every glance, every gesture, every step. In our quest for mastery, we'll delve into the depths of body language, decoding its hidden language of gestures, expressions, and movements. By understanding the significance of nonverbal cues, you'll unlock new dimensions of communication, enriching your speeches with authenticity, clarity, and impact. But first, let us journey into the world of Maya, a determined entrepreneur preparing to pitch her innovative startup idea to potential investors. As Maya immerses herself in a workshop on body language, she realizes its pivotal role in conveying confidence, credibility, and authenticity during presentations. With unwavering determination, Maya commits herself to mastering the art of nonverbal communication, embracing every insight, every technique, every opportunity to refine her skills. Through interactive activities and role-playing exercises, Maya hones her body language skills, from confident posture to purposeful gestures. With each practice session, she feels her presence and delivery undergo a profound transformation. As Maya steps into the role of the presenter, she channels her newfound confidence, applying body language techniques with precision and poise. With steady eye contact, expressive gestures, and a commanding presence, Maya captivates her audience, leaving a lasting impression with her pitch. Encouraged by the positive feedback from the instructor, Maya emerges from the workshop with renewed confidence and purpose. Armed with the ability to communicate with clarity and conviction through her body language, Maya is ready to conquer the stage and share her vision with the world. And so, dear learners, let us embark on this journey together, armed with curiosity, determination, and a passion for unlocking the full potential of our communication skills. With each lesson learned and skill mastered, we move closer to becoming powerful communicators who inspire, influence, and ignite change.